trip, we decided to explore Poker Flat. We're right now right outside Danville, California, right along the Highway 49. It is December. We just want to go out and camp, maybe last time this year. It's been a long, fun year for us, so we're looking for more adventures to come in the next year. But for now, we're just gonna go and see if we can get all the way through Poker Flat, maybe go back on top of the lookout up on the way there, and see if we can get some nice shots, nice scenery. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy it. Well, we got up to 6,000 feet. It's a beautiful sunny day. Sam, where are we?
So we reached the Saddleback Mountain lookout. It's way out there. So there's going to be a hike involved. My buddy's not made for hiking. So I'm going to have to carry these up there. So we'll see. We'll see how far I make it.
Yep. But it's a beautiful day to be out here. It has a little bit of snow on the road, but we're gonna take a hike and keep on driving. Poker Flat is somewhere in that direction.
Как дела? Видишь, папа где? Куда забрался? Hey, Nata, how are you? See, we're here.
See? Hi, niece.
$4.
Hi, Mark. What are we going to do right now?
We're gonna go hike up to the peak.
Yeah?
Nobody's happy
You're not happy? Really? Why?
because it's a very steep hike.
Yeah?
And it takes like 20 minutes straight up.
Yeah. Well, if anything, you can have your dad carry you.
That's impossible.
That's not going to happen. Well, I mean, I'll be right there with you, buddy.
Yes.
Well, the grueling hike is just starting. See you at the top.
The views only keep getting better and better. Check this out.
halfway up the mountain. Everybody is tired. So still a little bit more to go, and then it's going to be the easy way down. Sam, we're almost made it. Yeah. Man, what a hike. Just a little bit more to go.
Yeah, we'll make it. We're a
And
couple
we'll
of
be there.
stragglers, but we're good.
Well, we got to the top, took some pictures, and now we got to walk back because we got a long way to drive. Stay tuned.
Have fun in the snow. Whoa.
Jeez Louise!
Made it down the mountain. Now it's time to eat something. Get some snacks, some food. And keep going to the camp spot. So look at this.
Playing around. Bunk cake.
How's the hike, Sanya?
It was good. That's Alex. Too cold, but it's good.
Alex.
Well, we made it down to Poker Flat. We're just crossed the river and we're camping along the river at the mining claim that has a bunch of cabins here and stuff. So we're just gonna respect it, don't touch any of it. It is getting cold, it is below 40 degrees, and it's time to light the fire and get warm and start cooking dinner because it's getting late, but it is a beautiful spot.
Oh yeah, got that diesel heater all hooked up. Looks kind of funny, but it works. 25-foot duct going to the top. Yeah, it's a funny looking setup, but it is super hot inside the tent right now. Awesome, love it. Let's check it out how the four-wheel drive adventure crew set up over here. Very nice, very nice.
I'm not gonna know. Which with the way we're gonna do it is, I'm gonna fix a couple things.
We made a block
They got 2 heaters set up. There's one. And there's 2. Should be nice and toasty in that dome.
It's been a long and fun day for us. Check out the rest of the journey in our next video. Thanks for watching.